Check me out down here on my T-Rex. Feeling like a million. You can't buy a dinosaur with a dime. But I got my T-Rex for $3. Before we get our journals out, let's go review some more vocabulary so we're ready to work in the journal. I put these pictures for you in your Google slide so you can review them more later if you need to. We've already studied last week these two words. Let's review. Say with me, please, goods. What are the three goods you see right here? Sofa, food, and clothes. These are all things you can touch, buy, and use. Our other word with the S, repeat it please, service. I'm giving you a service right now. What's my service? Teaching. What are these other three services you see here? Let me hear you. Police, nurse, and the sweet fun babysitter. To remember these words when we get to our activity today. Our next vocabulary is the word buy. Repeat that word, please. Buy. To buy something is paying your money for a good or a service. Check out this girl. What is she buying? What is she paying for? Cucumbers. Now, is that a good or a service? A cucumber. It's a good. You can touch it. You can use it. What would be a service you could buy from someone? Remember Moby walking the dogs? Or that was Annie. You could buy a dog walk. That would be a service for your dog. Our next word today is sell. Repeat that, please. Sell. This girl is selling lemonade. To sell is giving a good or a service to another person for money. The lady at the store was selling the boy dinosaurs. She is selling lemonade. If you want a dinosaur or if you want lemonade, you gotta give up the money. Our last word today, repeat it please, trade. Check these two girls out trading. A trade is giving or receiving a good or a service in exchange for another. There's that word, exchange. And check these girls out. What are they exchanging? I think she has some chocolate pudding. And they're trading for an apple. One girl's giving, one girl's getting. They're both giving and getting. That's called a trade. Have you ever traded somebody something? Ooh, last week I traded a headband with Miss Janice. She had some with little diamonds, and I had some that were tie-dye like this. So I gave her a tie-dye, and she gave me one with diamonds. That's called a trade. You'll be showing me one in your journal today. Now that we have reviewed all of those vocabulary words, it's time to watch this teacher video. You're already here. Draw, color, and label. 1, 2, 3 words. So you'll have 3 pictures to draw and color. Let's start setting up our journal together. We'll write together, and then you will go draw and color by yourself. I'm getting my journal out. I've got my pencil ready. Do you have a clean page and a pencil? We always begin with what? The date. Everyone up top, give me a 4. 26 and the year 2021. Now, we've learned halves, but that's for 2 fair shares. Today we have 1, 2, 3 words, so we need 3 fair shares. Check out my journal and watch how I partition into 3. Here I go, straight down the page, but I'm not in the middle. And then kind of close to where I put my date, I'll make my other line. If you like to use fingers, maybe give 3 fingers, 3 fingers, and 3 fingers. And then draw your lines. Everyone will need 1, 2, 3 long rectangles. Do you have 3 long rectangles? Now let's add our words. Our first word is buy. Repeat it and let's write it on the first line. B-U-Y says buy. Let's move to our next rectangle and repeat word 2, sell. Beautiful. Then write it here, S-E-O, sell. Our last word, trade. Repeat it and write it, T-R-A-D, silent E on the end. Make sure you have 3 labels. Read them with me. Buy, sell, trade. Then you're ready for your pictures. You have some examples here in your slides that help you remember what is buy, what is sell, what is trade, but you can do your own idea. I don't want you to copy this girl with the cucumbers. Look, get an idea, and then draw me your own idea. I want to see you buying something, not her. No cucumbers. What would you like to buy with your money? Come to your first box. You already have the label buy, and you need to show me you buying something. You can even show me what store you're buying it, how much money you're paying for it. I'll show you a store I like to go to. There's a window, and there's a person here. And they say, hello, good morning. And here, Mrs. Otis, is your coffee. I love to buy Starbucks coffee. And I have to give my dollar bills. It's expensive coffee, but it makes me happy. You see my happy face. I drive through, I'm in a car, and I go to the window, and I buy Starbucks coffee. I'll add a label on the store to give more details. You see me, you see my money, you see what I'm buying, and I'm ready for color. This is what I want to see in all 3 of your boxes. Look at the screen, get an idea, but then draw me you and your own idea. Show me where are you buying something? How do you buy something? What are you buying? I'm at Starbucks, I'm buying coffee, and I use dollars. After you finished your buying picture, your next one is sell. Come look at the slide, get an idea. Oh, she's selling what? Lemonade. And then think of what's something that you could sell. Like Annie was selling the dog walks. Moby was selling his autographed pictures. What would be something that you could sell? I'll tell you, I like to paint rocks. So I could paint a bunch of rocks and sell some rocks. Or maybe I could do some art and sell my art to you. Show me in your next box, what would you sell? How much money does it cost? Show me the details and add the color. Your last picture today will be of a trade. You see in this photo, the 2 girls are trading foods. You can show me you with your friend trading a food. Or maybe you and your friend trade toys. Maybe you've traded a sweater. I traded some headbands. But in your trade picture, you should for sure have 2 people. Because one's giving, one's receiving. A trade involves 2 people. Show me who are your 2 people and what are they trading. You should have 3 pictures with 3 labels and lots of crayon color. Take your time to be proud of your work. When it's all done, picture time. Maybe I'll buy that picture from you. You could sell it to me. But I'll see you tomorrow to trade you some science. Good luck.